Ardell lashes are the perfect enhancement to any look. Follow these simple steps for full, beautiful lashes. What you need. First, check the fit by laying the lash band on top of the natural lash line. Trim if necessary. Next, apply adhesive. Apply a thin line of adhesive along the band. To avoid a wet mess on your eyelids, wait 15 to 30 seconds to let adhesive get tacky. If you are heavy-handed and cannot control the amount of adhesive coming out of the tube, use the back of the tweezers or wood stick to paint adhesive across the band. Apply lashes. Secure lash band by pressing onto the lash line using your fingers or lash applicator. Strip lashes are to be applied to the skin closest to the hairline as possible. Always apply lashes after your makeup application is complete.